Hello viewers, hope all of you are well. While installing and using a printer, sometimes we find that when we try to print a page, the printer is no longer found in the list. In this case, we face many problems. So how to solve this problem easily, we will see that. When we want to print a page, here you see there is no printer in the list which I installed. For that we could not print a page, and when we will go to the control panel, we will see the another result. When we right click upon the printer, there is no option default preference printer properties, and for that the printer will not working properly. Now I will solve this problem. For that we will click add printer. The printer that I want isn't listed, and click add printer and networking, and next. We will go existing print and click here and find your printer name. Click upon the printer and next. You will select the printer name as well as brand and click your model. Next and next another. We will have to wait while for the printer to be installed. Complete installation and click test page, and we will see the outcome printing. So when we will go to the next page, we will see the result. This option, everything is okay. Default preference printer properties, everything is okay. When we print another page, we will see the result. The printer will come to the list. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you have benefited, please don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you.